pushing back the brush. Cut that vine on the tail. Watch the dust, over here.
Measure twice, cut once. We need more timber on the deck. Careful with that weld, almost done.
The alignment looks good on the upper panel. Okay, I'll secure the lower section now. And character C, check the cove lighting back there. Okay, the measurements are good.
Okay.
Perfect, we can cut the section now. Grab the saw. I think if we cut it just here. All right, let me grab the tool then. Keep digging. We need to go deeper for the pool. Move that beam into place on the wing now. Keep it even, don't miss that corner. More flow on the right. Watch your step, it's wet. Keep it straight there. Need more adhesive here. Almost done with this section. All right, bring that steel beam over here.
We need more blue tiles down below.
Let's get this furniture set up on the deck. Keep it steady. Almost done with the water. Let's get these plants perfect. Keep the pressure steady, we need to strip this rust. Okay, I'm grinding down the nose, watch for sparks. Prep the white paint, we're ready to start on the wing.